Hydraulic systems power your factory floor, but dirty fluid is their biggest enemy. Clean fluid keeps machines running smoothly. Dirty fluid causes breakdowns and expensive repairs. Dirt enters your system in 3 ways. First, from outside, through air vents, loose caps, and worn seals. Second, from normal, where metal parts rubbing together create particles. Third, from manufacturing, leftover debris in new parts. Spotting contamination early saves money and prevents breakdowns. First, look at the fluid. Clean fluid is clear. Dirty fluid is dark or cloudy. When fluid is too dirty, it's time to clean. Always shut down safely first. Step 1. Replace all filters. See how dirty this old filter is? Step 2. Flush with clean fluid to wash out hidden dirt. Step 3. Empty and clean the tank. Remove all sludge and debris. Prevention keeps your system running longer and costs less. Install better filters. They catch more dirt before it causes damage. Keep dirt out with good breather caps and healthy seals. Check fluid regularly, monthly for heavy use, quarterly for light use. Clean systems last longer and break down less. Clean fluid means reliable machines, fewer repairs, and happy operators. Keep it clean, keep it running.